going on?
Yes, sir. I want to learn for my study. I'm a student of B pharmacy,
Yeah.
so there is requirement of English, and teacher also use English words. So I was struggling with understanding of their language. So that's why
Who,
I started.
okay, who said you to requirement English? English is required. Who said?
No, nobody said, sir. I thought it's if I learn and it will be better for my future.
Okay, when
That's
you
why.
thought? When you thought?
So when I was in second year, and right now,
And
and right
right
now
now?
I'm in last year. Last year,
Right, last year, huh?
yeah.
That's fantastic. How are you learning English, Ganesh?
So yes, sir. I'm learning with myself, and before I joined, before lockdown, and I had class. I had membership of one institute.
Hmm?
So there I learned a lot, and after that I started to speaking with people. Like I have one friend of my college, and
Yeah.
he is also very interested to learn, and we
Hmm.
talk. We talk every day.
Yeah.
So that's how I'm learning, and I'm also focusing my on my vocabs,
Hmm.
and
And yeah.
and I'm learning vocabs within because of you, sir, because you use many new words on every talk, like you use perk and legitimate and so many words I learn.
Yeah. That's nice, brother. I really want to know that. You took a membership from an institute. What they teach you? What they how what's the strategy to conduct a student? Like how they teach? Can you please tell me?
Yes, yes, that is like my teacher was only one teacher, and he teaches in the basis of, he told that if you wanna learn for spoken, and there is
Mhm.
no need of deeply knowledge of grammar.
Yeah.
So I followed him. So, and I really don't know much about grammar, and that's why uh, I took I do mistakes on grammar.
Okay. What do you think about that? That without a grammar, you can learn spoken English. What's your opinion related to this question?
It's because he was teaching us because of we really don't know single word of English.
Yeah.
We really didn't know, and that's why he was telling, and he was also telling that if you will be able to speak some words like sentences, and you can learn grammar also, and that will help more.
Well, I really don't understand, Ganesh. That it's mean that you are trying to say that if you are learning a spoken English, you no need to learn grammar. Am I right?
No, sir, it's not like that. And he was
Yeah.
telling that he was
Yeah.
telling that if you are in the initial stage,
Yeah.
he was telling that,
Yeah.
and you are in the initial stage, so there is no
Mm.
need of deeply knowledge of grammar.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay. And what after, like, I'm intermediate level?
Hmm.
What after that? I need grammar education or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There is need, because without grammar, it's not possible.
So it's mean that when if you are in an initial stage right now, so you no need to learn a grammar. Just focus on conversation English only.
Yes, it's also good. The conversation make us more fluent, and every day we can make ourselves more fluent, and if we can get more knowledge about like uses of i- many words, and but there is
Hmm.
also need of grammar, like name of conjunction and prepositions, lot of prepositions and how to use, and you know a lot of things, and you know I knew a lot of things about grammar, but not much.
Hmm. So can you please share your experience in the classes more, so people can get benefit from you.
Yes, sir. Classes helped me because my teacher was encouraging me to
Mm-hmm.
learn and speak, and he
Mm-hmm.
was telling, he was very, I can say, mm, he was telling us, if you don't speak,
Mm-hmm.
so you will not get more things, and without speaking it's not possible to learn. And you should, he was telling you should start practice with mirror, and after that you can go lot of social media sites also available to learn, and there nobody is acquainted with you, so nobody will uh, care, like if anybody using wrong words, and
Mm-hmm.
if anybody is frankly, and they can also interrupt you, you are using wrong word in this way.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So and rest of all, I'm also using lot of social media sites, so nobody cares about anyone, and everyone speaks in their way, and that's
Mm-hmm.
also good. And if people don't like to interruption, if uh, anybody will interrupt, and lot of persons hang up their call. So
Yeah.
that's what nobody will like.
Well, I really don't know. Social media sites. What exactly people are looking for. You will see limited majority of people they are willing to learn English language in the social media site. But as far as I know, that most of the people are looking for something different out there to
Yes, yes, yes,
themselves, or spending their
yes,
precious time out there.
yes, yes, yes. I totally agree with you, sir, because I have experience about also those social media sites, and I learn a lot of things from there. So I don't want to criticize those things because I learned a lot.
Well, don't criticize, but you can share.
Yes,
You can share your a good or bad point, like
yes,
whether it's good or not, for other people who are not aware of it, who are not familiar with.
yes, yes. Main thing is that to like bad, I can say bad is that nobody will care about who is doing mistake, and nobody is there to told you to you are doing mistake, and this is main thing. And
Well, Ganesh, this is the 21st century or 22nd century, I don't know. But in this century, nobody nobody has time to, they are not going to tell you that you are wrong at that point. Nobody has a
yes,
time,
yes, you're right.
you know.
Yes,
Different people have different flows. They are weaving and their flows.
yes,
I'm
and
here
you
just
are
to
giving
listen to people.
valuable time for them, and you are giving
Yeah.
your valuable time for them.
Yes.
So that's why they love to watch your video, and they are gaining a lot of knowledge. And I really you have talked those people also who really didn't know that single words of like very weak on grammars and something. So I'm also that type of person.
Well, I'm also that type of a person, and this is my biggest beginning stage right now. I see myself as a beginner. I really want to learn so many things in English still.
Yes, yes. A lot of successful men also told that if you are considering yourself to your best, and you will not get learn more things. If you are
Yeah,
considering you are learning, so you will get more things because you are considering yourself as a learner.
you know, when the time you consider yourself as a master, you know, as a
Yes,
best as a master, you are somehow you are losing your what do I say? Your
confidence.
enthusiasm,
Yeah,
confidence. No, no, no.
enthusiasm.
Don't judge yourself as a master. Just see as yourself as a beginner. I see myself
Yes,
as a beginner.
yes. We should not feel like arrogant, and it's also very amazing word to.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Where are
that's
you calling from, Mr. Ganesh? You didn't tell me about you.
So I'm calling from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh.
Bhopal, Bhopal. Well, well, well. Then thanks for calling, Mr. Ganesh. Would you like to